How to deposit SUI in SUI wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, simply open up your Binance or any other exchange where you have SUI. Suppose we want to transfer it from Binance. By the way, the process is quite similar for all the exchanges out there or the decentralized exchanges. Simply open up your spot wallet where you usually store your crypto. Simply click on this option of withdraw over here, then select the coin as SUI, and after that we require the address. For this, we will simply open up our SUI wallet, and over here we get our address. Simply copy this particular address and paste it on the address bar over here where we want to withdraw. The network will be selected on its own. If it is not selected, simply select SUI as your network. After that, type the amount of crypto or SUI that you want to withdraw. Suppose we want to withdraw the max amount, simply select the max amount and then click on this option of withdraw. After that, it will verify whether it is you or someone else trying to withdraw your funds. Simply do the authentication. After that, click on OK. And after waiting for a while, your processing will show as completed and you would be able to see this particular balance in your SUI wallet. And this is how you would be able to deposit SUI in your SUI wallet. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.